Whose world is this? Me and my kicks. Me and my kicks. It's mine. Me and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks, and I'm in Orlando, Florida. And as you know, I'm a big guy. I like my desserts, and I heard about this place called Gideon's on like a Yahoo article, but they specialize in like cakes and cookies. I figured since I'm in this area, let me go ahead and check out their cookies and do a little vlog on the spot, man. They got two locations, one that's in like Disney World, and the other one is like a standalone place. I went to the standalone place because I'm not going into Disney World, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you my thoughts on it coming up. Before I forget, man, if you've been to this place before, comment down below. If you've heard of Gideon's and you went on YouTube to search the video and see how the cookies is and you came across my channel, thank you for clicking on, man. I really do appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Comment down below what's the best part you've seen in this video. And if you are from Orlando, if you are from Florida, comment that down below and we can chop it up too. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple seconds. Now enough talking. Let's get into this vlog, man.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
Alright, I am in the car and they got every cookie individually wrapped. They going crazy with the packaging. I mean, but for $6 each, they should go crazy with the packaging. What flavor is this? I do not know. Let me open it up and see. Alright, I opened up the one I want to try, and it is this one, the regular chocolate chip joint. Like, it got a little salt in there as well. You know, a little sweet, salty joint. This is a half a pound. I probably won't eat the entire thing, but definitely got to go ahead and do a little bite. So I'm gonna try and eat it on camera and not make it look too crazy. So hold on. All right, about to go ahead and taste this big ass cookie. And in the words of one of the great YouTubers I watch, comedian C. Clark, C. Snacks, like to taste it. Here it go. The dough is pretty nice. It's wet, well, not necessarily wet, but you know, moist. There you go. Easy to bite into. The chocolate chip morsels are definitely sweet and flavorful. Not too sweet. Well, let me try another bite. Let me. You barely taste the salt they do on there. Overall, the chocolate chip one decent. Let me try the Oreo one right quick. All right, this is an up close look of the Oreo one. The Oreo, like, you got Oreo little bits and parts outside of the cookie dough, but it's also like Oreo bits inside of the cookie as well. So let me go ahead and like break it in half and show you. Well, break off a little piece. See, like, this is the inside of it. This is the inside of it. I thought it'd be more Oreos in the middle of it, but you know, it's all right. Let me taste it out. It's something different. I like the chocolate chip one better. This like inside part right here is just like a, I can't really explain it. It's like a cake. It's kind of fluffy, tasting like cake. It's weird. Then you got the, you know, the Oreo outside part, which is okay. You know, I would hope there'll be more, you know, Oreo filling to offset everything, but I don't taste that. Let me open it up a little bit. Okay, as you get deeper into the cookie, you get more, you know, Oreo pieces. It's okay. You see, like this part is real mushy, like cake. Like it's not like it doesn't have the consistency of a cookie. It's like they could have cooked this a little bit more longer or something like that. Got a little bit of cream from the Oreo sticking out right there, which is decent. But overall, I would give this like a 3 out of 5, 3.5 out of 5. I'll give the chocolate chip cookie like a 4.5 out of 5. I got more flavors, so I'm not gonna really go over every flavor. I'm gonna just probably put my ratings of it to the side of me. I ordered damn near every flavor. I got the Oreo cookies and cream. I got the chocolate chip. I got the peanut butter one. I got the pistachio one. And I believe that is it. That's all I got. They had like the monster cookie when I came over here with all the M&Ms in it, but I don't like plain M&Ms, so to throw all plain M&Ms in a cookie, I'm not gonna rock with that, so I ain't getting none of those. Overall, man, if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, I would definitely suggest going to Gideon's. And if you could check it out, the one in Disney, it's real lush, real set up nice. This one, it's like somewhat of in a hole in the wall place, but as long as they got bomb food and a great atmosphere, it's really nice. I would definitely suggest you guys check it out. I'm very surprised about this area. Like, it's kind of like one of them low-key spots you'll like bring a friend or a girlfriend to, when you just want to get out on a Saturday night or a Friday night. You don't want to go anywhere fancy. You just go over there and chill. As you saw, you got the guy playing on the guitar, singing. He was just doing it out of the kindness of his heart. He wasn't like really looking for no tips or nothing. Just overall, man, it was a nice little lookout, man, and I really enjoyed myself. So if you haven't been to Gideon's, go ahead, check it out. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple seconds, and you'll be notified when I drop future videos. And lastly, sorry for the noise. I know the AC is probably blowing next to you, but my apologies. And lastly, peace.
The beat